Hi guys, this is Mrs. Simmons. I'm going to be out today, but I'll be back for next class. I've made a video lesson for you to watch. We will be drawing a hamburger step by step. You can pause and replay whenever you need to, or you can review the slides. So pause the video and go get your paper and pencil. And today we're going to be examining value and shading to give the illusion of texture and form in the drawing of a hamburger. So you can explain how value and shading can create form and texture in your drawing. And you'll be able to identify shading techniques to suggest texture and form. And then you'll have a list of vocabulary words you can go over. And then we'll be giving you some pictures so later on you can identify your value and shading that create texture and form. Okay, now I'm starting to draw. You're going to draw something that looks like a square. You want to round it. You're going to have rounded corners. And I move around. So you should have a shape that starts out like a square with rounded corners. Then you're going to do some curved lines for your patty and your bun. Let's see. Let's just keep doing this, okay? I don't think this is. All right. And the next thing we're going to do is add some lettuce. So just draw a little irregular line like this around. I think this is a Big Mac. You got the patties in between. Anyway, it'll look really good and you'll want to eat it after you're through drawing it. So you want to add some tomatoes in there, little round tomatoes hanging out the side. You know how they hang out the side and then they get all sloppy and when you're eating them. So go ahead and put them down here. And we're having a big kind of patty hamburger. And here's your hamburger. We're going to put our hamburger right in here. Here's one hamburger. And I'm drawing that around. And then you have the piece of bread in the middle. And then down here, we're going to put another little piece of hamburger. And you can look at your drawing. You'll see how that works. Okay. And what else do we need to put in? Oh, we need some cheese, don't we? So you're going to have your slice of cheese hanging out the side. You like to put cheese on your, I like cheeseburgers. All right. Now we've got the basic idea of the hamburger. So now we're going to add some little sesame seeds on the top of our bun. And they're just tiny little oval shapes. And then we're going to add a little bit of shading here. We're going to think about the light coming from the side over here. So it'll be brighter on this side. And we'll put the shading on this side. I'm just doing a real quick. And I like to take my finger and blend a little bit so it looks more rounded and three-dimensional. And I brought an eraser too with me.